How's it going, everyone? Windy as frig day out. Beautiful, but windy. That's why the voiceover here. Just borrowed the old box truck to get a nice load of scrap. Stopped off to get a little gas words we did. And on our way we went. That's when she got real heavy, boys and girls. Real heavy. Little river words here. Little scenic photographies. No, we're sitting still. It's you're moving, not me. Don't worry about it. Figured I'd taunt you right quick. Couldn't record as we were doing it, just because had a lot to do and a lot of dead time if we would have. But that's everything we got right now, and there's another load to go. There's 2 fridges back there, a stove, a dryer, and 3 washers, 2 microwords, push bar, some luminoids, Illuminati, and air conditioner. I don't know if you can sound that, but yeah, then he gave me I don't know exactly what you call those, for towing, and then a battery. Oh, this will be easy for the removals. That's what I plan on doing, is getting the motors out of the washers and dryers right quick. Get my buddy over here to get the Freon out of the fridges so I can get rid of them, and take that in tomorrow morning. So.
The dream.
My claim for the day is scrap life is definitely heavy. Got a full load and we got to go back tomorrow or next week. So, I don't know if you can saw what we done here, but pretty friggin' proud of ourselves we are. 980 pounds going in with the box truck, 8,100 going out for a total of 1,780. 89 doll hairs we did. Sorry we didn't get more footage as we were doing it, but it's pretty heavy filming and moving all that stuff around. Had to dig it out of a basement, so Then the same day we did a non-ferrous run. I just figured I'd share with you. Got 68 doll hairs. There's a breakdown of everything we took in. Not too bad, not too bad.
Oh, do you sant it? Do you sant it, boys? A little bongy.
little bonky.
Oh, hop, buddy. Apologize for the shakiness here. He is just an itty bitty little thing. Hop, bongy. Oh, beg my pardon. What's him doing out at 3 a.m.? Huh. For frig snacks, boys. What's little bongy doing here? Another little bongy. He's just chilling. He was right on the edge of the door. Scooted him away. What's the matter for yourself? The bright light, he's got his eyes closed. Sam does. It's okay, buddy. Let you be. You don't want to be petted no more. I don't know if you'll be able to sant him, boys. Check this guy out. Walking stick. Or is that a praying mantis? Oh, he flipped over. He was freaking out. This is not my bathroom. It's the bathroom at work, so don't give me shit. Well, look on to him, boys. We saved him, we did. Yeah. Back outside. Mother Nature. I don't know if you can sant him or not, boys, but see the old skunk out there? Keep a safe distance on his ass. I want to get sprayed. I hate how I can't zoom. Oh, yes I can. There he goes.
And remember, if you ate today, thank a farmer.